Hello friends, today we are going to see direct indirect speech with the fantastic efforts of Mr. Sanket Purohit regarding to prepare slide or this PPT or presentation, and that's how I am thankful to him. But I would like to explain by my own way. Let's have a look. अगर हम लोग उसको रूल्स और इसके हिसाब से देखना चाहेंगे तो what is reported speech, what is reporting verb, what is direct speech, what is indirect speech. So first of all, what is reported speech? The act of reporting the words of a speaker is known as narration. कई लोग उसको narration भी बोलते हैं, वो गलत है. Narration. There are basically two ways in which the words of the speaker can be conveyed in writing. One, that what you call direct speech, direct narration. One, what you call indirect speech, indirect narration. Now, problem is कि narration का फायदा क्या है? When two persons are talking to each other, we can say it's a direct talking. या तो आप अगर किसी बच्चे को बोलते हैं कि तू पागल है, तो वो सीधा वही बोलेगा तू पागल है. बट अगर हम लोग इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करें तो he said to me I was mad, ऐसा. तो डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट यहाँ पे काम लगते हैं. तो what is direct speech? Reporting of the words of a speaker without making any changes to it is known as direct speech. And direct speech is shown inside double quotation mark, double inverted commas. Example, ये आपकी direct speech है. Vaishali told Manali, comma, inverted commas, I have finished my homework, inverted commas over, prior to that full stop. अब मैं यहाँ पे आपको बता दूं, ये जो told है, told, बराबर, वो आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है. कौन सा वर्ब है? रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, बराबर. और आई हैव फिनिश, ये पूरा इन्वर्टेड कॉमास जो है वो आपकी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है. राइट, ये रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है और ये रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है. इतना खास याद रखना, कोई पूछे तो इतना तो आना ही चाहिए मिनिमम. व्हाट इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच? द एक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग द वर्ड्स ऑफ ए स्पीकर बाय मेकिंग सम नेसेसरी चेंजेस टू इट इज नोन एज indirect speech. In indirect speech, while narrating something, changes are made in the original words of the person. Tenses and pronouns are changed according to the reported verb. अगर आपका reported verb simple present tense है, right, तो वो simple past में होगा. Continuous या तो progressive present tense में है तो कंटिन्यूअस या तो प्रोग्रेसिव पास्ट में होगा. परफेक्ट प्रेजेंट में है तो परफेक्ट पास्ट में होगा. पास्ट टेंस है तो परफेक्ट पास्ट में होगा. कंटिन्यूअस पास्ट टेंस में है तो कंटिन्यूअस परफेक्ट पास्ट में होगा. और पास्ट परफेक्ट पास्ट है तो परफेक्ट पास्ट ही होगा, कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. विल का वुड, सेल का सूड, कैन का कूड, मे का माइट, ये सब होगा. बट वुड, कुड, माइट, ये सब में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. डिस्टेंस ओरिएंटेड होगा. दिस का दैट, दिस का दोस, राइट, एगो का बिफोर, राइट, ऐसा सब चेंजेस होता रहेगा. टुडे का डेट डे, नेक्स्ट डे, राइट, टुमारो का द नेक्स्ट डे, टुडे का दैट डे, यस्टरडे का प्रीवियस डे, ऐसा सब चेंजेस होता रहेगा. एग्जांपल्स देखो. Observe the following changes carefully. He said, I work in a factory. तो he said that pronoun I का चेंज हो गया क्योंकि जो स्पीकर है वो he है, तो यहाँ पे I का हो गया he, work का हो गया worked in a factory, present tense in a past tense. They said we are going to the cinema. They said that, conjunction that लगाना है. They were going to cinema. We का हो गया they, are का हो गया were. ये continuous present tense become continuous past. She said I am playing, ये भी continuous present है. She said that she was playing, I का हो गया आपका she, am का हो गया was. He said to me, आपका reporting verb said to है तो वो told हो जाएगा. You have been a great help to me. तो यू का हो गया आई हैड बीन, क्योंकि मी का यू है तो आई हैड बीन। हैव बीन का हो गया हैड बीन अ ग्रेट हेल्प टू मी के बदले हिम क्यों होगा, क्योंकि स्पीकर ही है। आशीष थर्ड मैन सिंगुलर सेड टू मी आई शैल गो टू द मार्केट टुडे। आशीष टोल्ड मी दैट, कनेक्टिव दैट तो लगेगा ही। आई का हो गया ही, सेल का हो गया वुड, क्यों आई वी के साथ सेल होता है, यू विल ही सी इट विल, तो ही के साथ विल होगा तो इसका पास्ट टेंस हो गया वुड गो टू द मार्केट, और टुडे का हो गया दैट डिड व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू। ऐसे माइनर चेंजेस भी देखने पड़ेंगे। Some basic rules of speech and conversion. Look at this. In direct speech, separate the reporting verb from direct speech by a comma. Put the word spoken by the speaker within inverted commas. इसको double quotes बोलते हैं या तो double inverted commas बोलते हैं, right? वो double inverted commas आपको निकाल देने हैं direct speech से indirect speech में. And begin the first word inside the inverted commas with a capital letter. वो direct speech का rule है. जब आप उसको इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करो तो कैपिटल लेटर भी निकल जाएगा। Now in indirect speech, basic rules. Change the reporting verb according to sense conveyed by the speech. Said to है तो told. Question interrogative है तो ask, inquire, etc. Do not change the tense of the reporting verb. Reporting verb जो है said to है तो said to का told होगा, but says या तो will से नहीं होगा। वो पास्ट टेंस है, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब तो पास्ट टेंस ही रहेगा। रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। रिमूव द कॉमा सेपरेटिंग द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब फ्रॉम द डायरेक्ट स्पीच। रिमूव इन्वर्टेड कॉमास, डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमास निकाल दो, राइट? आप लोग वहां पे कनेक्टिव दैट है तो दैट लगा दो, बट इंटरोगेटिव और इंपेरेटिव में दैट कभी नहीं लगेगा। इंटरोगेटिव है तो टू टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, एडवर्ब से स्टार्ट हुआ व्हाई, व्हाट, व्हेन, ये सब एडवर्ब से स्टार्ट हुआ तो WH टाइप का क्वेश्चन से ही स्टार्ट होगा। बट अगर आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा डू यू हैव पेन, आर यू गोइंग टू कम टुमारो, जिसका आंसर यस और नो में है तो आपको इफ और वेदर से स्टार्ट करना है। क्लियर? तो इंट्रोड्यूस द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बाय सम कनेक्टर्स लाइक इफ, वेदर, व्हाट, वर, हाउ, व्हाई, ये WH टाइप हुआ। यस और नो में आंसर मिला तो इफ, वेदर, और अगर क्वेश्चन इंटरोगेटिव और इंपेरेटिव नहीं है तो बाकी सब में दैट लगा दो, डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेदर यू वांट टू transform a statement, question or request as the case may be. Convert all kinds of sentences into assertive statement. वो खास जरूरी है। इंट्रोगेटिव है तो भी assertive, imperative है तो भी assertive, exclamatory है तो भी assertive, but change it into assertive. Make other necessary changes in person, verb forms, time, place and expression. Some changes to consider. Pronoun oriented. First person, I, we. Change according to subject of the reporting work, subject. और सेकंड पर्सन में यू योर है तो चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग पर्सन। यहाँ पे मेन एस्पेक्ट है सब्जेक्ट, राइट, और यहाँ पे मेन एस्पेक्ट है ऑब्जेक्ट। थर्ड पर्सन ही, सी, इट, दे, हिज, हर, वो सब में नो चेंज, वो सेम रहेगा। थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर और प्लूरल में नो चेंज। Change first person to third person if the reporting verb has no object mentioned. बराबर, फर्स्ट पर्सन टू किसमें, थर्ड पर्सन। रूल्स फॉर चेंजिंग सिंपल डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। देखो, रिमूव सेपरेटिंग कॉमा, इनवर्टेड कॉमा, यूज द कनेक्टर या तो कंजंक्शन दैट व्हेन देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट इन द सेंटेंस। जैसे कि डायरेक्ट स्पीच है, he said I work in a shipyard, तो he said that, I का हो गया he, past tense worked in a shipyard. Sina said my teacher is highly educated. Sina said that her teacher, my teacher के बदले क्या आया, her teacher is के बदले हो गया was, highly educated का वही रहा, inverted commas निकाल दिया, connective that लगा दिया। Reporting verb said become told along with the subject and the connector that when it is followed by an object. जैसे कि काम्या said to me, वहां देखो he said only था, सीना said only था, यहाँ पे to me आया तब आप उसको told करेंगे. Kamya said to me, you have been a great help. He said to me, I shall go to the party. तो दोनों में देखो, Kamya told me, said to का told to नहीं होगा, told ही रहेगा. That I had been a great help. Have been का हो गया had been. He told me that I का हो गया he. Shall के बदले he के साथ will लगता है तो would हो गया go to the party. Minor changes भी आप बराबर ध्यान में रखें. Changes into reported speech with respect to tense. Simple present tense है into simple past. He said, I don't like computers. He said that he did not liked नहीं है आएगा यहाँ, right? खास आप लोग यहाँ देखो. He did not like आएगा. He did not liked नहीं आएगा. I do not like computer. So he did not like computers. बराबर? They said we love our country. So they said that they loved, love का क्या हो गया? Loved their country. Our का their. Present continuous है तो past continuous में होगा. I said it is raining. I said that it was raining. Is का हो गया was. She said I am not laughing. She said that she was not laughing. Present perfect into past perfect. She said he has finished his job. या तो verb. She said that he had finished his job. या तो verb. They said we have not gone to New York. They said that they had not gone to New York. Present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. देखते जाओ. I have been है तो वहां पे change होगा he had been. Remaining same. Radha said it has been raining. Radha said that it had been raining. Changes आप खास देखते जाओ. जो मैं emphasis या तो भार देके बोल रहा हूं वो खास change करो. Simple past into past perfect. My teacher said to me, you answered correctly. My teacher told that I had answered correctly. He said I didn't buy a car. तो didn't buy मतलब ये past tense हुआ. He said that he had not, right? Buy का हो गया bought, bring का हो जाता है brought. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous आया. They said we were enjoying the weather. ये weather अलग है. If weather अलग है. They said that they had been enjoying the weather. Had been. He said Mohit was listening to the music. He said that Mohit had been listening to the music. A past perfect mean past perfect tense does not change. जो मैंने आपको आगे भी बोला. He said I had started a business. He said that he had started a business. सिर्फ pronoun change हुआ. I said she had eaten the meal. I said she had eaten the meal. No change whatsoever. Simple future will change into would, right? Will be into would be, and will have into would have, right? He said, I will study the book. He said that he would study the book. They said to me, we will send you gift. They told me, देखो said to का हो गया told. They would. देखो यहाँ एक चीज का नोटिस करना, will का would हुआ, but send का sent नहीं होता है. Double change not possible. Mind well. Will study का would study होगा. Would studied नहीं होगा. Very important aspect. Double change नहीं होगा. Future continuous will be so simple future change into will to would, shall to should, can to could, may to might, etc. यहाँ simple future में I will study the book तो he would study. मैं आपको ये बता रहा था कि would studied नहीं आएगा और would send भी नहीं आएगा. Similarly future continuous will be changed into would be. यहाँ पे भी I will be waiting for you. Shreya told him. So Shreya told him that she would be waiting for him. यहाँ पे he said he will not be flying kites. He said that he would not be flying kites. और अगर फ्यूचर परफेक्ट को देखें, will have changes into would have. So he said, I will have finished the work. He said that he would have finished the work. Narayan said, I will have gone. Narayan said that he would have gone. ऐसे changes देखने को मिलते हैं. Some exceptional cases, जैसे कि यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, हैबिचुअल फैक्ट है, कोई प्रोवर्ब है, हिस्टोरिकल फैक्ट है, तो इसमें अगर आप लोग देखो तो नो चेंज. टेंस का, माय फादर सेड आई एम स्लो टू स्टार्ट. माय फादर सेड दैट ही वाज नहीं आएगा, ही इज स्लो टू स्टार्ट. हैबिचुअल फैक्ट. शी सेड 2 and 2 makes 4. शी सेड दैट 2 and 2 makes 4. यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट. 2 and 2 makes कभी 5 नहीं होगा. My teacher said that honesty is the best policy. वो भी आप ले सकते हैं. The teacher said Ashoka left war after the conquest win of Kalinga. The teacher said that Ashoka left war after the conquest of Kalinga. Historical fact है, no change whatsoever. My teacher said honesty is the best policy. My teacher said that honesty is the best policy. Rules for changing interrogative sentence into indirect. Reporting verb said become asked or to is removed. Asked, inquired, interrogated, ऐसा. Use if or whether in place of that as connector. She said to me, do you like tea or coffee? She asked me whether या तो if I liked tea or coffee. Question mark निकाल देना है. That नहीं लगाना है. Yes or no वाले question answer में whether या तो if लगाना है. Remove the question mark while forming an assertive sentence. She said to Syam, do you have an extra copy? She asked Syam if he had an extra coffee. Do you have, है ना? He had an extra copy. Question starting with the question words like या तो adverb like when, why, where. Do not use if or whether, but persist with when, why, where, how, etc. The question words are retained to introduce that reported question. He said, what is your problem? तो इसका आंसर yes or no में नहीं है. What is your problem? तो कि हाँ या ना नहीं, प्रॉब्लम बताना पड़ेगा. तो he asked what my problem was. He said, why are you not coming? तो yes or no में आंसर नहीं मिलेगा, रीजन बताना पड़ेगा. She asked why I was not coming. तो W8 टाइप के क्वेश्चन में if और whether नहीं लगेगा. It will start with the adverb like W8 type, when, why, where, when, who, whom, whose, etc. और जिसका did, do, does, am, was, were, are ऐसे helping verb भी से स्टार्ट होता है, तो वहां पे आपको if या तो whether लगाना पड़ेगा. Rules for changing imperative sentence into indirect speech. Imperative, यहाँ पे भी आपका कमांड, रिक्वेस्ट, सजेशन होगा. that नहीं लगाने का, very important notion. Use conjunction to instead of that. I said to Hari, don't pluck the flowers. P-L-U-C-K, pluck, not plug. I ordered Hari not to pluck the flowers. The principal said to the students, get out of the office. Principal ने order किया, order the students to get out of the office. यहाँ पे infinitive to लगेगा, conjunction that नहीं लगेगा. In sentences beginning with let, the reporting verb is changed to propose or suggested. He said, let's keep quiet in this matter. He suggested that we should keep quiet in this matter. We should keep quiet in this matter. Rules for changing exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. यहाँ पे that conjunction लगेगा, और जो भी interjection और interjectional phrases है, alas, bravo, oh, wow, वाह, ये सब left out कर देने का. जैसे words such as alas, bravo, oh, wow, wah should be left out in the indirect speech. Ram said, alas, I have been ruined. Ram exclaimed with sorrow that he had been ruined. Forms of the verb wish is used if the sentence convey a wish. She said, if I were a bird. She wished to be a bird. She wished that she were a bird. अब ये she और I के साथ were क्यों आया? The things that is not possible, the things that is not actually happening, इसके लिए I के साथ generally was लगता है, पर यहाँ पे were लगाएंगे. If I were an educational minister, if I were a part of lottery winner, जो चीज नहीं हो सकती वो अगर हम लोग assume कर रहे हैं, presume कर रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए I के साथ या तो C के साथ were plural past tense लगा. Changes of verb form: is, am, are, was, were, has, have का had, go का went, did का had plus third form of verb, was, were का had been, will का would, shall का should, can का could. Change of pronoun में first person according to subject, second person according to subject, object sorry, वो आपको बताया पहले ही. Change or to third person if the reporting verb has no object, and third person absolutely unchanged, he, she, it, they unchanged. यहाँ देखो now का then वो मैं आगे बता चुका हूँ, ago का before, today का that day, last day का previous night or the night before, next week का the following week, right? Here का there, hither का thither, this का that, THES this का those, thus का so, right? ये सब आपको change करना पड़ेगा. Is that clear? Distance या तो place oriented. So बताओ अगर ये थोड़ा मैंने लिमिटेड एक्सप्लेनेशन लगा तो मेरे YouTube चैनल पे और एक मैंने डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच आपको एक्सप्लेन की है, उसको बार बार देखते जाओ. थैंक यू वेरी मच and thank you Sanket Purohit for making this such a wonderful slide. Thanks all for hearing and subscribing my channel. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.